Hey guys, we're back with a big surprise. The iPhone SE2 leaks are coming out of nowhere. We got so much exciting stuff, like how is this actually happening? Today we got two major leaks regarding the iPhone SE2 and it's going to be a big surprise leak. Alright, just a short recap. So last time we talked about this hands-on video of the iPhone SE2 and I'm going to explain what it is. The source has got the design information of the iPhone SE2 and basically they made this video just to represent how the iPhone SE2 will look with the notch and iPhone 5 like metal sides. Since this is just a visual show off, they used the iPhone 10 with a metal bumper. Now this video was posted by a well-known leakster, Mako Takara. The source has a great track record. They were first on the scene to tell us the death of headphone jack on the iPhone 7, which is why you see this video leak showed up everywhere in the news. But yeah, all in all, it's just a representation of the iPhone SE2 design. So the takeaway from this video is that the SE2 will have notch and iPhone 5/5s like metal sides. Now today we got two major leaks, and if true, this will be an incredible surprise that no one really expected. Now first leak is coming from BGR and they claim that they have obtained exclusive design schematic of the iPhone SE2 from a trustable source. So as you can see on the left, we have the iPhone SE1, and on the right, you guessed it, the iPhone SE2. The notch design from the iPhone 10 is here, and the rest is just like the old iPhone SE. The size, the volume rocker, the mute switch, even the power button is on the top. You can see at the bottom, just like the iPhones of today's age, the headphone jack is dead. Now, just from this leak, you can tell that it's still a small device. The footprint is the same as the iPhone SE, but because it's having less bezels, the actual display surface area will be bigger, could be around 4.2 inch to 4.5 inch, which actually follows one of the older rumors that came out of China that the SE2 will actually going to have a 4.2 inch display. Now, why the notch design is here for the iPhone SE2? Well, Apple is really moving forward. They want to end their old design language, the Touch ID. They want to kill it for good and completely move towards a new age of notch and Face ID. This is why even with the iPhone SE2, we might see the futuristic bezel-less design. So Apple is actually going to release three new iPhones this year: a 6.1-inch LCD model, a 5.8-inch OLED model, and a whopping 6.5-inch OLED model. You see, there's no new upcoming iPhone with a screen size in between 4 to 5 inches, which leaves the spot open for the iPhone SE2 to have a smaller bezel-less screen with a notch. The iPhone 10 will get discontinued this year. We heard this news a couple of months ago. The OLED 2018 iPhone 10 Plus and iPhone 10 will be replacing the current iPhone 10. It's going to have a price point from $1,000 to $1,300 range. The LCD iPhone is set to cost in between $700 to $800. And if they release the SE2, that will be priced at $600. Obviously, it's my explanation as to why Apple might be bringing the SE2 with a notch. They want to fill the space that will be left after the release of the three new iPhones. Now, what about the back of the phone? Well, today we also got a second leak regarding this via unnamed source on Weibo. They posted this alleged back panels of the iPhone SE2, and you can see the back of the smartphone is made up of glass with a metal frame. It's kind of like a combination of iPhone 8 and iPhone 5s. This follows the design that BGR posted as well, so you can see the same sides as the iPhone 5s, the volume keys, the mute switch, everything, all with that glorious bezel-less notch look. So all in all, the iPhone SE2 is looking like a pretty promising iPhone for the Apple fans or those who are using the original iPhone SE or those who want to have an iPhone but they have small hands. So there are a lot of people who want a smaller size iPhone, and with iPhone 10 look, it's definitely a big treat for all the SE lovers. So glass back, aluminum sides, and a notch up front. A single camera on the back with True Tone LED flash. Now as for the specs, we can expect a 4.2 inch to 4.5 inch Retina LCD display, of course bezel-less with the notch, a 3D facial scanner. Since the notch is here, that makes sense. Under the hood, there will be Apple A10 Fusion processor from the iPhone 7, a 2GB of RAM, a 12MP rear camera, same as the iPhone 7, 5MP front camera, wireless charging, 1700mAh battery, and and 32/128 GB storage capacity options. And in case you don't know, Apple is holding a spring education event. There might be a new $259 cheaper iPad or a new Apple Pencil. I don't think they will announce the SE2 there because this is just too awesome, and I'm sure Apple will hold like a special event for it or announce it during the WWDC 2018. So yeah guys, let me know your thoughts on this. I gotta say it is a surprise, big surprise leak, and I thought that this might not happen. I mean, the SE2 is a dream, you know, but seems like it is happening, and I wonder if Samsung will respond with its own Galaxy S9 Mini. That would be interesting. But anyways, let me know what you think about the iPhone SE2. Are you interested in seeing the notch design on it? Do you buy it? Let me know, and I will see you in the next one. Peace out.